Hey, this is Marko, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to use YNAB. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So there are some few things you want to know. So basically these are all of your spendings, how much you're spending on bills, on your needs and your wants. If you go to the top right, you can always adjust like what is the mortgage. You can always remove it, add what money you have in it currently, like at the end of the month, how much you are spending. You can always add the plus at the top, and you can add like a new expense. Then you will just click on done. You can always delete it with this minus thing. With this at the right, you just long hold for a few seconds, and then you can move it as you want. You can delete an entire group category with the top left minus, and plus is of course to edit. You can create a group name and then create stuff like that. So you have this, and then you have the bills. You can add stuff to it, but that's pretty much it for this feature. Here is everything that is currently going on in your app, like where is basically your money going. Top left, you can contact their support, or you have settings and privacy. You can do budget settings. You can see with who you are logged on, manage connections. If for example you have connected your bank account with them. Budget settings is just like what currency you want to use, number formatting, like before amount, date format, and I mean that's at least pretty much for the basics. If you want to add money, you want to tap on assign money, and then once you do that, you can assign money to specific things. So like if I do mortgage, $20, you click on done. Now I don't have $50 anymore, I have $30. I added 20 here, and if you click finish assigning, you have signed money here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.